Breaking the Wall of Unconscious Biases. Sabrina Vitting, Seerup, University of Copenhagen, Denmark.
Would you like to make the world more fair and at the same time make a profit? Then you're going to enjoy the next 3 minutes. I'm going to give you the why, how, and what of unconscious biases. I'm going to start with why this is a problem. So unconscious biases are prejudice that makes us favor one thing over the other. They get created because we like to take shortcuts. As Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman has documented, our brains seem to have two systems installed. System 1 is basically a reflex, leading us to quick, but sometimes wrong conclusions. System 2, on the other hand, takes us through the long, hard, draining process of rational thinking. So guess which one is the standard setting? Now, System 1 has its benefits, but as the social sciences show, it causes us to make mistakes. For instance, an essay signed with a boy's name will get a higher grade than when the exact same paper is signed with a girl's name. In Denmark, where I'm from, an application signed with a Middle Eastern name needs to apply for 52% more precision to get a job than if the paper is signed with a Nordic name. We all make these mistakes because System 1 is stopping us from being fair, from hiring the best employees, from supporting our greatest talents, and that is costing us money. Recent reports from McKinsey show that diversity in staff is one of the key indicators for innovation and higher revenues in businesses today. So, how do we beat it? Well, one way is to be conscious of when we're in System 1, and then move ourselves, force us over to System 2. It's hard, but it's doable. What we need to do is train people in how to do this. One way of doing this, of course, needs to bring up new talents. And one of those talents is that we need people to understand, to recognize, and to be able to change the outcome of their unconscious biases. I believe that we should do this, or I know we should do this through my research, through stories and images, to literature and film, giving us something to meet around, something to discuss and have empathy with, without having to point fingers when learning about discriminatory practices.